So Nikita, you've talked a lot about how Ahan is screen free. He doesn't have a regular screen time.
Right.
How do you manage that?
So one thing is that I was very sure that I'm not going to use screen as a mode of distraction. So distracting from maybe he's crying, any tantrums, or even for feeding. Feeding, though I'm very clear, no distraction, not even like a story. So that way we never really got into screens, and I never felt the use. I mean, I never found it useful in terms of we are always there. Some adult is always there interacting with him very meaningfully. So it never happened until, I mean, he was 5 and he started going to other kids' houses, and then he saw that people get to see things on the screen, and there are cartoons and there are child friendly series and all to watch. Until then, it never came home, like, that he wants to watch something. But now recently, because he has seen some of his friends watch something, he comes home and tells me that, I want to watch something today. So I don't say no,
Okay.
because I also don't want him to feel that this is something that he won't get at home, but he'll get it at a friend's house. I don't want him to be outdoors all the time. So I give him, and the boundaries have been set. And I also feel he is a little more responsible in terms of understanding. When I'm saying 10 minutes or 15 minutes, he understands very well, which I feel would have been difficult if it was like a 3-year-old or something.
Yeah.
So right now it's very clear there is this show he likes to watch. So if he wants, he knows he'll come ask, he'll switch it on, he'll watch those 2 episodes of what we finalized, which is 20 minutes. He'll watch that and he'll switch it off on his own. Nobody has to even like tell him that 2 episodes are done. And I feel personally that is because we gave it time. We didn't just start with screen time, and because they don't have that concept of time.
Yeah.
If they're liking it and they want to continue watching it,
Yeah.
it can lead to a major tantrum. So that has helped us. And there are very many nice shows also. So if someone is interested, they can always show. And I prefer something that is calming.
Yeah.
So there's like a show called Stillwater. It's very calm. Nobody's jumping, nobody's talking back. So those are the kind of shows I like to introduce. So first I try to watch whatever he's going to watch,
Yeah.
and then he gets to watch it. So that's it. And my younger one, I'm not even considering
Yeah.
screen time right now.
Of course.
But yeah, we just very consciously we have been screen free for until 5.5. He was totally screen free. But then I realized that he has friends who watch. Also, he's come on a few trips with us. So kids watch while they're eating.
Yeah.
So he's seen that. But also very clear that only television. There's no iPad or no
No
concept
phone.
of watching on the phone. Television, and also not just when we are traveling and all. It has never come up. But if it ever does, I don't feel there's a need to do it while we are traveling.
Yeah.
So maybe when he's home, also when our holidays are going on, it's less of structure.
Yeah.
So he sometimes just comes and says, "Can I watch TV?" He also knows this very clearly that when the younger one's around, he's not going to watch it.
Oh.
So he has to watch only when he's sleeping, or maybe
Okay.
he's gone somewhere to play or something. Then he gets it. So he also consciously only comes and asks when he's not around.
So till 5.5, he had no screen
No
time.
screen, no screen. Maybe like once or twice he must have watched, maybe at a friend's place
Yeah.
or something. But we
No
consciously had
regular, everyday 30 minutes
no,
kind
no,
of a
no.
screen.
Even right now, he doesn't have a everyday screen time.
Acha, it's just when he
It's
wants
when
to
he
do it.
wants to. He only realizes that maybe he doesn't have anything else to do, so he just comes and asks, "Can I watch?" And also when younger one is sleeping. So all of that only falls in place when there are holidays going on.
Of course, of course. That's amazing. Yeah, that's how do you like keep them engaged? Like I think that's one of the main things that
Yeah, I mean, I also feel that's so surprising that I never found that as a challenge. Because he has things to do, or there's free play. He's very fond of cars, so he'll just stack them around. He'll make blocks, some parking lots and all. He finds his own things to do. So we never really felt the need that we have to constantly keep him engaged. Sometimes he's just getting bored.
Yeah.
So he's getting bored, and that's okay. It's okay to get bored sometimes.
I think that's one of the biggest fears parents have, right? That if the
Yeah.
child is bored, they're gonna come and trouble us.
Yeah.
So let's just give
Maybe
them.
I mean, I'll give a little benefit of doubt to people. I also have a little more time at hand. See, I'm flexible in
of course.
terms of work. I'm home. My mother is home, and my mother is very hands-on. She herself is a studied child psychology.
Oh, okay.
So for her to deal with kids is different. She also finds very engaging ways of playing with kids. Like in the car, we go for such long trips. She has her own games she makes up, and then they are engaged. So I think that helps. Having 3 adults at
Yeah,
home
definitely.
who can constantly be there and play constructively with them. So I think that helps. So probably for parents who have fixed hours of working, it's
Yeah,
more difficult.
More difficult, yes.
So I think that is how it's different for me.
But that's very interesting. Even Kian, he doesn't have screen time. He's 2.5. He knows video calls, of course, because our
Yeah.
parents live far. So he does video calls. He knows like a little bit of here and there videos because I shoot. So he wants to see what I'm shooting. So that kind
That
of, but
is
like,
nice.
no, he doesn't know the concept of shows yet. Ki, acha, aise baith ke you can watch
Watch
something on the TV or on any screen. But yeah, I sometimes worry how long I can hold that off for, because of course when they start meeting other kids it becomes more difficult,
Yeah,
like you also mentioned.
So now with older kids, like he's 6, Ahan is 6. So they also discuss, like kids come and discuss that, this is what I watched.
6 pe
and
to of
all.
course they
So,
would be
yeah.
doing that.
So we
But you've been taking Ahan on trips with group trips also, right? Since how long? 2 years now?
So he doesn't go on all the trips, but sometimes. So yeah, maybe sometime last year I took him for his first trip, and this year I took him for another one. Yeah.
So over there also he would see other kids watching screen. So doesn't he ever ask you that I also
So
want
not that time. He'll probably go and sit with someone who's watching. But
Okay.
then I don't want to forcefully stop him from something he's doing. I don't want him to feel that's wrong.
Yeah.
Also, the another child is doing, there is some need for it. That's why he's doing. So I don't force him for that. But we have a rule that we don't. Like,
Yeah.
especially while eating and all, we don't. And on phones, we don't. But I've told him that I don't have these things in my phone. So I'm sorry. We just have it on our TV.